Welcome to a demonstration of TopView PI. OSIsoft's PI system is a real-time data management infrastructure. The core of the PI system is a high-performance database that provides both real-time and historical measurement values. TopView PI communicates directly to this database, allowing users to easily configure monitoring, alarming, and notification for hundreds or even thousands of measurements from one or more PI servers. TopView PI is simple to install and easy to use. It can be run on the PI server or a client machine. The only requirements are a Windows computer and the PI SDK. The goal of this demonstration is not to show you all the features of the product, but instead to show a quick but practical example of TopView PI. In this demonstration, I will show you how to select the PI tags to monitor, configure alarm conditions for some of the tags, and configure email notification for one of the alarms. This is the TopView configurator. The configurator is used to select the PI tags you wish to monitor, as well as configure alarm conditions and notification settings. The first step is to select the PI tags that you would like to monitor in TopView. To search for PI tags, I'll click the Tag Search button to bring up the PI Tag Search dialog. Once I set up the search criteria, I click Search to display the matching PI tags. I will then select some of the tags from the search results. And click OK to return the selected tags to the TopView configurator. I've now configured TopView to monitor 9 tags from my PI server. I'd now like to launch the TopView alarm and notification engine for this configuration to verify that it can successfully monitor the PI tags. The TopView alarm and notification engine, also called the TopView window, can run interactively or as a Windows service. TopView can run multiple configurations, each with its own set of tags, limits, and notifications. During this video, I will start and stop the engine interactively, since this enables us to quickly see the current values and alarms as we make changes to the configuration. While the TopView window is running, I want it to automatically load any changes I make to this configuration. So I will go to the Options screen and check the box Auto Restart on Configuration Changes. By default, the TopView window will only load configuration changes when it is started or restarted, allowing the user to control the point at which configuration changes become active. I will save the configuration and click Launch to start the TopView window. The visible TopView window is the alarm and notification engine for a single configuration. It will perform all of the tasks that were assigned using the TopView configurator. At this point, my configuration contains a list of tags to monitor, and you can see the current values of the tags displayed in the TopView window. I'd like to change the engineering units for one of the PI tag values. You can see that the third row, a power tag, is displaying its value in kilowatts. I'd like to convert this value to megawatts. To do this, I return to the TopView configurator, select the power tag in the list, and click the Operation tab. TopView contains a set of built-in operations that allow you to manipulate the tag value retrieved from the PI server. To convert kilowatts to megawatts, I need to divide the retrieved value by 1,000. Since I have changed the units, I will also override the tag's engineering units. Click Save to save the changes. Because I configured the TopView window to restart on configuration changes, the TopView window reloads and displays the tag value in megawatts. I'd also like to monitor an item that is not a PI tag, but is instead the result of an expression involving multiple PI tags. To do this, I first add a NoTag item to the list and enter a custom name for the item. NoTag items can be used when the item value is not coming from a PI tag. In this example, the value will be the result of a PI expression. Another typical use for NoTag items is alarm escalation. I'll click the Operation tab. And one of the supported operations is a PI expression. PI expressions in TopView support the full PI performance equation syntax. If I select PI expression, the value of the NoTag item will be the result of the entered expression. For this expression, I will add the values of the previous two tags. I can click the Test button to verify the expression syntax. I save the configuration, the TopView window reloads and displays the current tag values, as well as the new expression result. We can see from the previous two rows that the expression result is the sum of the previous two tags. The next step is to configure alarm limits for a few of the monitored PI tags. The fourth item in the list is a temperature tag. The last item in the list is the result of a PI expression, the sum of the previous two tags. My first alarm condition will be the temperature value is greater than 15. My second alarm condition will be the expression result is greater than 5 for 10 seconds. To configure alarm limits, I need to return to the TopView configurator. Back in the TopView configurator, I will select the temperature tag in the list and click the Edit Alarm Limits button. This button is located next to the selected tag name, as well as on the Alarm Limits tab for the selected tag. The top of the alarm limit screen contains a drop-down of the monitored tags. The temperature tag is currently selected. Each monitored tag in TopView can have up to 4 alarm conditions. For the temperature tag, I will set the alarm condition to greater than 15. I will also enter a custom alarm message. Temperature is high. And check the box Only Show Custom Message so that no additional information is added to the alarm message. Next, I'll click Apply and select the NoTag expression item from my list. For the expression result, I will set the alarm condition to greater than 5 and the delay in to 10 seconds. The TopView alarm for this item will occur if the value goes above 5 and remains there for 10 seconds. I will also enter a custom message. Expression is %value%. %value% is a placeholder that will put the current value of this row, the expression result, into the alarm message. I will check the box Only Show Custom Message and click OK to save the current settings and return to the TopView configurator. To view the result of the configuration changes, I will save this configuration. The TopView window reloads the new settings, and my temperature tag is immediately in alarm because the value is greater than 15. Because the value of the expression is currently greater than 5, it should transition into alarm after 10 seconds. The TopView window as well as the Remote Viewer client present two views of the monitored points and alarms. Values view, the current view, displays the values of the monitor tags along with the current alarm state of each tag. Alarms view displays the alarm messages of active and unacknowledged alarms. Both views can be filtered and configured to show various details about each monitored tag and alarm. The next step is to configure alarm notification. With TopView, you can send notification in a wide variety of ways, including email, SMS text messages, numeric and alphanumeric pagers, text-to-speech voice calls to phones, and audible alarms including WAV files and voice enunciation. For this demonstration, I will send the alarm notification using email. I would like to send an email notification when my second alarm condition, the expression result greater than 5 for 10 seconds, occurs. First, I need to configure the outgoing email settings. I'll click Email SMS Notification, choose Yes to enable, and click the Configure button. Using this screen, you can configure outgoing and incoming email using an email server, as well as outgoing and incoming SMS using a cellular modem. I need to configure outgoing email settings. I will send email notification messages using my SMTP mail server, so I need to enter the name of my mail server. If your server requires SSL or authorization, you can enter this information along with the server name. Next, I will enter a from address for the outgoing email messages. I will also check the box to use the alarm message as the subject of the notification email. Next is the configuration of email recipients. TopView supports sending notification to individuals, predefined groups of individuals, or a combination of individuals and groups. With predefined groups of recipients, each configuration contains a default email SMS group and also share a common list of global groups. Each group can contain one or more recipients along with a defined schedule. I will add a recipient to the default email SMS group. Click Add to add a new recipient to the group. You can enter recipient by email address or contact field. If a contact does not exist, click the Contacts button to create a new contact. I will select an existing contact named admin and select the admin's work email address. Before I commit these settings for use in TopView, I want to verify that my email server settings are correct, so I will send a test email message. Clicking Send Test Email allows me to send a test message using the current settings. A screen appears and displays a detailed log of the test. TopView did not have any errors sending the test message, so I will use my email client to verify that the test message is received. Now that I have verified the settings, I will click OK to apply the settings. The last step is to configure which alarms should send email notification. I will configure email notification for my second alarm condition. Returning to the alarm limit screen, I will configure the expression alarm condition greater than 5 for 10 seconds to notify the default email SMS group when the alarm occurs. Clicking OK to apply the settings, I will save the configuration. As before, the expression item should transition into alarm after 10 seconds. Now that the alarm occurred, TopView should send an email notification message to the members of the default email SMS group. I will open my email client to check for the notification message. The subject of the notification email is the custom alarm message that I configured, including the value of the expression when the alarm occurred. Thank you for watching this demonstration of TopView PI. Please take a look at the additional product information available on our website and request a full functioning evaluation version if you would like to test TopView PI yourself.